Get ready to indulge in the perfect fusion of flavors with our Hara Bhara cheesy chicken chutney kebab. This mouthwatering recipe offers a perfect balance of cheesy richness from the chicken and the vibrant freshness of green chutney, creating a scrumptious and irresistible treat for your taste buds. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a cozy meal at home, these kebabs are sure to impress at any gatherings. Watch the full video to learn how to make this delicious, cheesy, and flavorful kebab recipe step by step. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Hara Bhara chicken kebab. Step 1, making the ground kebab mixture. Take 500 grams boneless chicken. Handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add some mint leaves. 4 to 5 green chilies. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 chicken stock cube. Half teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Quarter teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Add salt to taste. Quarter teaspoon dried fenugreek optional. Squeeze half lemon in it. You can also add 1 tablespoon butter here. Take 2 bread slices. Tear bread slices in it. It will help bind the mixture. Mince the chicken along with the other ingredients in a food processor. Pulse in short bursts 1 or 2 seconds at a time. For a fine mince, pulse more times. Grind until turns into thick smooth paste. Check consistency, and scrape down the sides if needed. Consistency should be like this. Remove the blade. Remove in a bowl. Burn the charcoal. Add dash of oil. Give it a nice charcoal smoke. Meanwhile, make the stuffing chutney. In a mixer jar, add half cup coriander mint leaves. Add 2 to 3 green chilies. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Add some salt. Quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Quarter teaspoon chaat masala. Squeeze some lemon. Add require water. Blend until smooth chutney is ready. Keep aside, we will use it later. Discard the charcoal. Mix well. Your ground kebab mixture is now ready. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to enhance flavors and makes shaping easier. Step 2. Let's prepare stuffing. Take 150 grams grated mozzarella cheese. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons mayonnaise in it. Add our green mint chutney. Pour 1 tablespoon green chutney. Add as per your spice tolerance level. Combine all together. Combined well. Our stuffing is ready. Keep aside. Step 3. Let's prepare coatings. Grind some fresh bread slices to make these breadcrumbs. Remove breadcrumbs in a bowl. Add 1 to 2 pinches green food color. It's totally optional. Combine well. Keep aside. Make egg slurry for coating. Crack 2 eggs. Season with salt. Add dash of milk. Adding milk thickens the egg mixture, reducing bubbling when the food hits the oil. Add some chili flakes. It's totally optional. Combine well. Our both coatings are ready. Keep aside. Step 4. Shape the kebabs. Grease your hands with oil to prevent sticking. Take a small portion of the mixture. Make round ball. Flatten it on your palm. Now, take some cheesy chutney stuffing. Put some stuffing in the center. Seal the kebab properly. Make round ball. Flatten it with your fingers to make round patty shape. Shape it into a round, oval, or cylindrical kebab as per your choice. Keep aside. Meanwhile, make more kebabs. Again, take some mixture. Flatten it. Place sufficient stuffing in it. Seal it as shown. No worries if it breaks. Always patch it up with a mixture. Make sure there are not any gaps or cracks. Covers it evenly. Make kebab as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. Take a mixture. Flatten it. Place a little cheese chutney stuffing in the center and seal the kebab properly. Make kebab as shown. Place kebabs on the plate. Step 5. Coat the kebabs. Kebabs are fragile at this moment, so handle with care. First, dip each patty in the beaten egg slurry. Now roll the kebabs in breadcrumbs for extra crunch. It will help to handle it easily. Place coated kebab on the plate. Again, dip in the beaten egg. Coat with breadcrumbs for a crispy texture. If you are not coated properly, it will tear while frying, and the cheese will spill out. It's optional to pop it in the freezer for a little while, so the cheese won't melt instantly while you're fried it. Repeat the same procedure for all. Can be freeze up to 1 month in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. Step 6. Cook the kebabs. Heat oil in a pan to shallow fry the kebabs. Check whether oil is hot or not. It's time to fry the kebabs. Drop the kebabs in hot oil. Shallow fry the chutney kebabs on low to medium flame. Once golden and crispy, flip it. Flip and cook from both sides. Cook 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Fry until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Remove it. Once the cheese is oozing out, kebabs are done. It's time to plate. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Serve hot. Serve with tomato ketchup or with creamy green chutney. Simply grind leftover stuffing with green chutney and in a little bit of curd. Let me show you how stretchy this cheese pulls. These chutney kebabs are crispy from outside and ooey gooey flavorful cheese inside. Every single kebab is tender and cheesy. Must try the recipe in this Ramadan and thank me later. Enjoy your Hara Bhara cheesy chicken chutney kebabs. These kebabs are perfect for tea time, iftar, or as a party appetizer. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.